In this video, I will show you how to make villagers stay in one place on Lego Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm here. I've currently got a village built up in Lego Fortnite. Now, as you start building your village, you're going to attract more villagers, and as you level up your village, more villagers are going to start to visit your village. Now, to actually go ahead and make your villagers stay in one place, all you need to do, you can see this guy is new to the village. You just want to go up to the villagers and speak to them. And then you just want to skip through the text and just go and keep pressing continue. And then if you go up and speak to them again, you can actually invite them to stay into your village. So you can see there's a few options. You want to select the option to live in my village. And then what they're going to do is basically stay in one place in this village. So you just want to go through, you want to make sure you've got enough beds as well. So make sure, of course, as you can see, I've got 2 villagers. So I want to make sure I've got 2 beds. I've actually got more than 2 beds available, but you can see we've got the beds for the villagers here. So every time a new villager does come to your village, and this does happen randomly, so you just want to keep an eye on your village, and when new villagers enter your village, just go and speak to them and invite them to stay in your village, and they're going to stay in this one place in your village. Now what you can do is also add a map marker, which looks like this, and you can do this from the build menu. You just need to come down to the village section. You can see that's here. And once you've gone ahead and built out, if you actually go ahead and open up your map, I'm just going to move a bit away from the marker. You will see when I open up the map that this is marked on the village, which will also help you find where your villagers are staying. So it just makes it easier to find where your villagers are. But that is basically how you can go ahead and make your villagers stay in one place on Lego Fortnite. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.